Thorff here. In this video I'm going to teach you guys how to use Axiom Pro to trade meme coins and make thousands of dollars every single day. I do also want to thank you guys so much for the recent support, and if you guys enjoy these sort of videos or if they are helpful, it will mean the world to me if you guys like and subscribe so I get pushed out more to the algorithm. I'll be doing a giveaway. I just need you guys to support the socials, all links in the description. So let's go right into it. To get access to Axiom, you need the link, so there will be one in the description. You skip the waitlist and you also get 10% off your fees. So yeah, when you press the link in the description, you're going to see something like this. But there will be like a little pop-up right here where you can sign up with your Phantom wallet or log in with Google. I recommend signing up with Phantom because then your wallet will be connected to Phantom, so that's easier. After doing all that, you'll be in Axiom Pro where you have every single coin being made and every coin that's about to bond into the raydium pool right here, final stretch, and migrated. It's the migrated ones, so these are the ones that like past bonding, and here are some bigger coins. As you can see, like here 120k, and by the way, you can snipe coins. Here's my snipe settings right here. So you just can snipe coins when they're bonding. So this is a great tool to use. And imagine if Elon tweets about his dog or something, and you manage to get like a perfect snipe when it's bonding. You'll get like a crazy entry. Now I'm going to show you guys some important things you should fix before you start trading. So let's say we go to this coin right here. I'm not promoting this coin, guys. Right here, preset 1. These are my fees. You can copy it if you guys want. These are like cheap fees, and you can just change your fees to your liking. I use these fees for like low balance, and they're very cheap. You can get like crazy fills, like very fast. So I recommend you guys use these fees. And it's like the more you pay, the better entry you could get. But if you have like a low balance, it's not a good idea to pay much for fees. They can eat you up eventually. And probably the most important thing about Axiom that I recommend so highly is using instant trade right here. So instead of like clicking here the amount of sol you want to buy into the coin, or like clicking right here and then buying, that's like losing some time on buying the coin. You can just like boom, you're in, and boom, you're out. You could change like the amount to your own liking. So for example 0.12 sol, and then just save it right here. And you might be wondering why I should use Axiom instead of BullX. So I'd say the number one thing for a lot of people might be the fees, because they're a lot cheaper than BullX. And as I said, the fees can literally break down your balance. So the fees here are 0.7 fees on every transaction. On BullX it's around 1% per transaction, and you get 10% off your fees if you use my link below. And BullX, sometimes they have secret fees, like even if you have like super low fees, and you'll be slowly getting eaten up by fees if you're trading with low portfolio. Meanwhile with Axiom, it will be like maximum $1 per trade. I'm not even joking, guys. It's like crazy cheap fees. And you're wondering, do I get fast fills if I have low fees? Of course, guys, I get like crazy fills and very fast. So guys, take advantage of this and start trading on Axiom. And I just recommend using Axiom right now. They have like crazy tools to use, and when you start trading more, you could you'll get access to the Twitter tracker right here. Here it's like instant and very fast, and it's not hard to get. You just trade for about an hour and you'll get it, and it's like instant. What I usually do, as you can see right here, do it on the side right here, and just see what is happening on the Twitter feed. And for example, if Elon Musk tweets about his dog, and the name is on the Twitter, you could get like instant new pairs like here, and you can see like the coin that's being made of this Twitter, and then you can get like 7k entry. If it goes to like 200-300k, that will be like a 30x. I don't know, I'm not good in maths, and I will also be opening a wallet tracker right here to see what good traders are buying, aping in a coin. I do not recommend you guys copying the traders, but I use it like for conviction of my own. So if I see like 5 good traders ape in a coin, I'll be looking at the coin and see if it's a good narrative or it's a good coin to ape in as well. So yeah, that's good. And here, wallet manager, here is my wallet. Here are the traders that I track. You can find this on my wallet server, my Discord server. It's completely for free, so you can join, of course, if you don't mind. And I think that's it. And about the wallet tracker and the Twitter tracker. And now you have good settings and like fees. Now you're ready to trade and start your journey with Axiom. What I also love about Axiom is that you get passive like income from trading, from rewards right here. Let's say I do a trade, right? Let's say I do a trade, right? There are like challenges, like do 5 trades and you get like free SOL back from just using the website. So it's like you get rewards back from trading, and when you finish one challenge you get another challenge, so you could get like, you could make some bread with that. I think that wraps the video. I hope this helped you guys, and like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and there will be a link in the description for Axiom, as I said. And thank you guys for watching the video.